In this video, we'll learn how to set up a Gmail SMTP account so we can configure email services for your website. Once you complete the setup, you'll receive an SMTP app password. This is not your Gmail or Google account password, so you can safely share it with us. We'll use it only to configure your website's email service. Now, open the Gmail account that you want to use for sending emails from your website. Once you've opened Gmail, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then click Manage your Google account to continue. You'll now see the Google account page. From the left sidebar, you'll find a list of menus. Click on the Security and Sign In section. If two-step verification is turned off, you'll need to enable it first. During the setup, Google will ask you to enter your password and verify your identity using an OTP. Once you complete the verification and once it's enabled, you'll see that two-step verification is turned on for your Gmail account. Then, use the search bar to search for app passwords. You'll see it in the search results. Click App Passwords to open it. Once you open App Passwords, you'll see some instructions in the Create a New App Password section. You'll only need to enter an app name. It can be anything you like, but since you're creating it for SMTP, we recommend using SMTP. Then click Create, and Google will automatically generate the app password. Once the app password is generated, copy it and save it in a secure place before closing the window. Google will only show this password once, so you won't be able to view it again later. After saving it, please share the app password with us.